What are some of the customary tools and tactics used to evaluate a business enterprise and forecast its future success?
But there are certain tools that I think are, across the board used across every industry.
Okay.
So earnings per share, that's a huge indicator of, company performance and company success.
Mm-hmm.
Also what we call EBITDA,
Mm-hmm.
which stands for earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization.
Earnings
Before interest, taxes, depreciation, and
we
amortization.
got it.
So
We got to hit
that's
that. We got to hit that. And we're gonna do that one more time for my dyslexic folks. Okay. And we're gonna go super slow this time.
Okay.
Earnings before
Interest,
interest,
taxes,
taxes,
depreciation, and
and
amortization.
amortization.
So
And
that's after all that's taken out,
then you know, and then you measure the
or
numbers.
before it's all taken out. Yes.
Then you measure the numbers. So what's the relevance? Let's park here for a second. What's the relevance of EBITDA in the context of any business?
Yeah, so it's really a widely touted indicator of company performance.
Okay.
So it's basically letting you know, like, after we take out all the fluff, what is the actual value of the company?
Got it. Got it. Great.
So
Great way to
without
explain
getting
that.
too much into the weeds.
No, that's a
Yeah.
great way to explain that. Yeah, no.
But there's also another one that I think is probably a little more digestible, and that's market capitalization.
Okay.
And that applies to specifically to public companies that are traded on the stock market. And so that is your value of your shares outstanding multiplied by the stock price. So that basically tells you how big the company is and how well they're performing.
Great.